Hey everyone, thanks for logging into this video and welcome back to the channel. What I'm sharing with you in this video is my open concept floor plan. As I've said many times in other videos, I live in a home that is open concept where you have to have balance across the space so that your colors match evenly. In this video, I'm basically just showing you 3 separate areas that I showed you before in separate videos, but now I'm showing you how it looks when the palette comes together all at once. I did this design early spring, so you can see I used a little pop of color in the pink pillows and also some artwork on the wall. But for the most part, I try to keep this area neutral. My base colors under the color palette series, those are the things where your colors do not change. That's the color of your floors, the color of your furniture, the paint on the wall. So you can see I have beige, I have cream, I have the dark, deep wood color in the credenza, in the furniture, in the table. And then the majority of my furniture is off-white, to include the side chairs that I put on the side of the credenza in the entryway. For the next few minutes, what I'm going to do is simply just pan the camera so that you can see the space in its entirety. I'm talking about the complete space from the living area all the way to the front door, just to see how this design came out. It looks absolutely beautiful. Again, I want to say thank you for tapping into this video, and if you are not one of my subscribers, go ahead and just please hit that subscribe button. I hope you too will consider joining my channel or joining my team if home decor, design, and tips are something that you are interested in. This is a travertine water fountain. It is absolutely gorgeous at night when all the lights are turned down low and you can hear the background noise of the water. From this travertine water fountain, you get a better view of the space. And I'm just going to start right here by the front door and just kind of show you how everything matches or comes together very nicely. In this design, I have accented with plants, artificial plants, for the most part is what I put in this space. And you get a better idea of how I've accented from the floor, the diamonds in the floor. This is actually the same pattern that's in the credenza to the right, a Bernhardt signature, just to kind of make everything flow nicely. I used in this design for the most part everything that I already had, so I shopped my home. I just pulled some things out, mixed and matched the colors so that it would flow from one space to another. I thank you again for watching this video, and if you are not one of my subscribers, please consider joining by hitting the subscribe button, sharing this video with your friends and family, giving it a big thumbs up, and of course, log it on when you see I've posted another video. This is Freddie. I'm Freddie King's Home Decor. Bye-bye.